My name is Joe Green. I've been a member at Shala for only like a month and a half or so, but I was involved in the 6-week transformation challenge about 5 or 6 months back. It was fantastic. Really, the thing that I'm the most passionate about here at Shala is having the time to actually learn everything they go through with you really step by step. And I fell down a lot and nobody made fun of me. It was great. Practicing at Shala has impacted my body and mind by making me a lot more focused and a lot more driven in the mornings. I'm really not a morning person, but getting up and doing the early morning classes has really changed my routine, which has helped me just be a lot more active in my daily life. I would say that the thing I love about Shala the most is the community. Every time I'm here, I feel like I'm with my family. Everyone is so nice. It's like just a great big bunch of friends, like learning and moving together. It's my favorite.